Hello friends, welcome to Poongudi's channel. Today I will teach you a basic embroidery stitch called split stitch. This will be easy to learn and it is a small straight stitch. Take all the 6 strands together in a needle and put a knot at the bottom. Bring the needle through the fabric at one point and insert back at certain distance and bring the needle back in between the threads in the middle of the first stitch. Now I am putting the next stitch. See, come back in the middle of the threads in the first stitch and extend a little distance in the stitch. Again come back in between the threads in the middle of the stitch. Once again extend the stitch to certain distance and come back through the middle of the threads and continue the stitch so that you will be getting a straight line. This stitch will be perfect for outlining in any pattern. You can also use this split stitch for filling patterns. This stitch slightly looks like a chain stitch. Now I will teach you how to put a split stitch in 2 colors. Here I take 2 colors, blue and green, 3 strands in each thread. Join both the colors and put it in the needle. At the end you can put 2 knots and start the stitch. As usual, bring it from the back side of the fabric at one point and insert the needle back in 1 centimeter gap, and now split the 2 colors, blue one side and green one side, and in the middle you bring the needle in between the 2 color threads and again you extend the stitch to certain length. Go back through the fabric, split the 2 colors, blue and green, and in the center you bring the needle again so that you can see 2 lines together, blue line upper and green color line below. It will be very beautiful. You can use 2 colors in split stitch like this to put lines, and also for filling the patterns you can use this 2 color split stitch. Now I am going to fill this elephant pattern using split stitch throughout the outline. Here I am using 2 colors for the split stitch. You can separate the colors like this and go back like this, like a back stitch. and again separate the colors and put the stitch. It will be easier for you to split it. See, two different colors I am using. So you can see two color lines in the pattern. And now I have finished this stitch and the whole pattern. Hope you understood this split stitch clearly. If you have any doubts, please comment. And now we will see the back view of the stitch. This will look like a back stitch. Please share this video with basic learners of hand embroidery. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the link in the description box. For more such videos, please like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you for watching.